Production of fin heat exchanger. The production of fin heat exchangers begins with material preparation. High-quality metals like aluminum, copper, stainless steel are precisely cut into tubes and fins according to design specification. Next comes fin installation. Advanced machinery, such as fin rolling machines, firmly attaches fins to the tubes. This step maximizes the heat transfer surface area, ensuring optimal efficiency. Afterward, the tube bundle assembly process starts, with end plates and headers carefully welded to create a robust structure. Then, the assembly undergoes leak testing, using pressure or vacuum methods to guarantee airtightness and prevent fluid leakage. Finally, the finished heat exchanger is cleaned, inspected, and packaged for shipment, ready to enhance heat transfer in various industrial and commercial applications.